Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how to create a note in your Zoom account. So let's get started. Now for this, you will need to log into your Zoom account through their web application. So head over to zoom.us, log into your account, and inside your account, take a look at that panel here to the left and select notes from it. So click on it. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to create a fresh new note by clicking on that button here or on that button in the top right corner, new. So let me do that really quickly. After that, wait for the loading process to be finished and simply start typing your notes content here, like ABC test 1, 2, 3 and so on and so forth. You may also edit and customize your note using bold letters, italic letters, underlined letters, changing the font color, the font, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. Now, if you click on that arrow to the left icon, you'll be redirected to the previous menu. And as you can see, your note has been saved automatically. Now, if I click on it again, I'm given the opportunity to share it, for instance, with my contacts. You may, for example, enter your contact's email address or a name here and assign roles to it here to the right, like viewer, editor, or co-owner. Or alternatively, share your note using a shareable link below by clicking on copy link here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.